Comesa Business Council and High People proudly present the 40 Days 40 Fintechs Initiative, a game-changing platform under the Include Everyone program, spotlighting the innovative technologies that are shaping the future of financial inclusivity across Africa. As part of our expansion across the entire Comesa region, we are bringing the 40 Days 40 Fintechs to Zambia and Malawi. This edition is all about highlighting the trailblazers using financial technology to break down digital barriers and empower lives across Zambia and Malawi.
My name is Deborah Jalakasi. I'm an IT professional with a solid IT background, both in tech infrastructure and the operation side. So the name of the company is the Trade Flow Analytic, and my role there is the managing director. So this is a startup fintech, and it has been in the industry less than a year. So basically, what we do is about analyzing the trade data to help the cross-border women. So we are into analyzing, making sure that they have access to real-time data. They are able to have insights which are coming from a platform that they can access it at any time, as long as they have internet and they are able to use their smartphone as well. Our platform, it's on the Play Store, whereby one would simply install, just like the way we install WhatsApp. So when you install it and then you subscribe, so it's a little fee. So once you subscribe and then you register, then you log in with the credentials that you've been given, and then you can do it. It's a straightforward. So once you log in, it will give you the dashboard, whereby this dashboard you have different modules. So you simply check what is it that you want to know. Is it the market insights? So if it's market insights, you click that market insight, then it will come, and then you have that page about the market insights, and then it will show you, okay, this is what we have, the agricultural, you want maybe the groceries, whatever that you want to deal with. If it's not about the market insights, now you want the trade, then the trade regulations, then you also click on the trade regulations, then you'll be able to know that, oh, so I'm going to get the groceries and I will pay 5% of whatever I'm getting. Or this is what I'm going to, it's a module, or it's a platform that it has got different modules, and you'll be able to check what it depends what you want at that particular time. So at the end of the day, what we're trying to say is, or what we're trying to deliver is the data-driven solution. When data is available, people are able to make decisions. And especially the data that is in a visual format, you are seeing it, and whether they are the graphs, but it's in a visual format, you are able to make good decisions. We are operating Chinji border, the Chipata side, Malawi, Chipata. And typically this idea came in because I was also once a cross-border trader, whereby I was getting my things from items from South Africa to Malawi. And then that time when I was doing that business, I didn't have anywhere to refer to information. There was like nowhere to refer to. And I went to South Africa, I got the things, I came back here, tried to supply, but I found that the prices had just gone up. So the idea came in like, okay, let's have this. We should have an app whereby the women should be able to check different types of items, whether we are talking or especially we are dealing with the small ones. So we could simply say the SMEs. So we are talking of a small business like the fish, the agri-business, the maize, the rice, the nuts. So it's like we have got the app will have different modules, whereby it will display, it will show the STR, whereby we're talking of the simplified trade regime framework, because sometimes they cross-border, they become victims. They don't even know that they are supposed to pay for this, they're not supposed to pay for that. They simply tell them, pay us this amount of money, and then they'll pay. So we have that module in the app. We also put another module in the app whereby they will be able to follow the exchange rates at what is the rate today, how much are we changing, and all that. We also have another one that they would simply know where to get what. For example, maybe the cities, if you want to get rice or whether you want to get groundnuts, you have to follow this and that. So it's more or less into providing data real-time data, so that whosoever is dealing in the cross-border business should be able to know where to go and what to get and who to contact. The main challenge that we faced, or we are still facing, it's about getting the data. For example, maybe we are dealing with different institutions where they keep trade data. For example, might say Malawi MICT, where you can find different types of trading data where they keep who has what, how much, and what is trending. So we usually check the patterns this month of May, this month of March, what is it that is selling out more and all that. So sometimes it's difficult to get that type of data, because maybe they would want to us to get a consent from different types of traders. They wouldn't just want, as much as to us it's public data, but they would simply say, we cannot give you because of ABCD. But now we have managed to solve that problem. It's no longer a problem of getting that data. And another problem that we've also identified is where many women, the cross-border traders, they are failing to use the smartphone. The app is there, but then because they are already used to get the other data from other people, so they would simply maybe call their friends. They wouldn't want to use the system that's in there. They would simply say, "We'll just call someone. How was it when you were passing the border? Did you have any problems?" and all that. So I would simply say maybe user acceptance is still not at that level. So we are still sensitizing, still trying to let the people know that this system is yours and it will help you a lot. So those are some of the things. Even the infrastructure, when there's no internet, that means they cannot access it because it's internet-based system. The help that we would want to get from the 40 days, 40 fintechs is maybe we would want them to connect us with CBC, the Comesa Business Council, so that at least we should we shouldn't be having problems in sensitizing the cross-border traders. The 40 days, 40 fintechs, if they will come in with financial help, it will really it will move us from one level to another, whereby we can come up with posters, we can come up with flyers, even if it's digital or the physical ones, print out. So I'm sure if the 40 days, 40 fintechs would help us in that financial space, it would help us a lot.
This financial inclusion revolution is presented in partnership with Level 1 Project, Infitex, Cyber PLC Academy, and the Moduloop Foundation, with generous support from the Getz Foundation. Follow hashtag 40 Days 40 Fintechs and hashtag Level 1 Project and be part of building a brighter financial future for all.